this is Dave Batcheller, and we're doing finished carpentry. And what we're doing here is we have an existing mantle, and it doesn't fit the room. It's outdated. We're gonna pull this old mantle out. The mirror has to go. The mirror is outdated, and it's a huge room as it is. It doesn't need the mirror to make the room look bigger. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring the mantle from the floor all the way up to the ceiling. We got 10-foot ceilings here. And we're going to dress it up a lot. We're going to do some inlaid panels on the legs, nice breastplate, you know, give it more depth, more meat, and it's going to be the focal point of this room, which is the formal living room. Okay, so what we're doing here is we're formalizing the headers in this room. And for minimal work, this is a mitered header existing. We just cut it out, pull it off. And what we're going to do is we're going to add a bigger, beefier 4-piece header, which will make the room look more formal and be a lot more proportional to the size of this room. This room is like 23 by 17. It's 400 square feet. It's a really big room. It should have some big meat on the molds. All right, now we're back in the formal living room, and we're working on the mantle. So we have the bottom half of the mantle is almost complete. There's still some panel moldings that need to go in. But what we did here is we did a big build out. This room is, I think it's like 15 by 22. So there's a lot of room. And then once again, we got 10-foot ceilings. So we got a 13-inch top shelf. Plenty of room to put any knickknacks on Christmas time. You know, everybody likes to put the garland and the wreaths and, you know, hang stockings and things like that. So it made it really massive. We did a 4-inch build out on the backer board, another 3-inch build out for the columns. And what we're going to do is we're going to chase this 2 side legs all the way up to the ceiling, and the crown molding will be incorporated around the mantle, similar to the base unit, the breastplate right here. We went with a 22-inch breastplate, which gave us a lot of opportunity to do a lot of different things, having a big open palette per se. To do, you know, we did 5 panels on the bottom, another 4 on the top. Gives you a lot of room. You need the room, and this room had the room to do it. And today we're going to be working on finishing the top half of the mantle. We're in the middle here. There used to be a mirror. The room being so big, we didn't feel it needed a mirror to make the room look any bigger than it already is, so we're going to incorporate some more inlaid panels in the big open area in the middle. So I had Dave Batcheller again, and now we're standing in the formal living room, looking at the focal point of the formal living room, the floor-to-ceiling mantle, where they incorporated 21 inlaid panels. Also, tied in the crown molding detail that goes up throughout the entire room into the mantle. Brought the legs up, all those bump outs. You can see there was actually just in the crown molding alone, there was 69 pieces total. That's just in the top 12 inches there. And this is a 10-foot mantle. And I'm really proud of it. It came out really, really good. All the details, and now that it's painted, everything's just popping, and it's wow. You walk into this room and you see this, and it's really, really sharp. And you know, when you're entertaining the holidays. And now we got the crown molding also. Brings the 10-foot ceilings down, rolls them into the walls. And this is going to be a really great entertaining room.